Hello everyone. We are still here in Aleppo. Today we came to the sites where the earthquake hit and caused destruction and pushed people out of their homes to seek refuge in shelters. We have here a young man. His name is Talal. Talal is the breadwinner of his family. He and his family had to flee their home after the earthquake hit and caused a big crack in the wall. The house is no longer livable. He said that they were asleep, and when the earthquake hit, his mother started screaming, saying that they were going to die. And then they grabbed each other. They left their home with only the clothes that they were wearing. He said that they were so scared that they thought that that was the doomsday, that the end of the world. 2 days after the earthquake, they slept in the outside, out on the ground, on one blanket only before they were taken to the shelter. So here's the place, the displacement shelter where Talal and his family and others are staying. This place now hosts around 350 displaced people from the earthquake. There is 30 tents inside. It's like a building with like a storage, a warehouse. And the good part is that it's not out in the open. It's relatively warm in here. Outside, the cold is so harsh and so difficult. And here we see people all over. We see heaters over there working on diesel to warm this place. This is the tent where Bilal and his family are staying. هدول كلهم مين؟ This is his mother on the right, and others are his cousins. She said that she doesn't know what to do next. Her house is unlivable, and that her situation is like many of the people here. They don't know what to do. Their houses are finished. They can't go back, and and they ask for help to rebuild their homes. She said that they want help to rebuild their home and the building and return. Or thousands of people have already been killed. Thousands more are wounded, and thousands are displaced. I mean, and as we can see, this is only a small portion of the displacement that had been caused by this earthquake. We're bringing you on the ground coverage of the situation following the earthquake. Here's Aleppo.